Okay, this latte art video is for you if you're struggling to make a good latte art on your cup of coffee. I'm about to share with you a simple barista hack that professional baristas use so that they can be able to learn and master a way of making a perfect and consistent latte art on their cup of coffee each time. This is a simple yet effective way that every barista should try if you want to improve your latte art. But the first step for anyone to make a good latte art on their cup of coffee, they need to first watch someone making that latte art design. Then try it. For the first time, for everyone, it's going to be impossible, but you shouldn't give up. You're going to need to try the same latte art design until you can master it. The more time you practice a same latte art, is the more it will become easy for you to make it. This is why baristas are able to make good latte art within a short period of time. They make a lot of coffee, which makes it easy for them to practice and grow their latte art skills. So after understanding that the more you practice your latte art is the best way that you can grow and improve your latte art, so let me show you a simple way that you can practice your latte art and be able to grow to make better latte art within a short period of time. You don't need to waste much of your milk and espresso. You're going to need to make 1 cup of coffee, then practice using the same milk that you have used to make that cup of coffee. For this practice, we're going to be using coffee grinds. You just add a teaspoon of coffee grind into your cup, then pour the same latte art. Or you can try any other different variation of the latte art design. But make sure to practice one latte art design until you can perfect it. That's when you can try another latte art design. Follow along and see the different examples of the different latte art designs that I'm practicing in this video. This is going to help you understand how you can properly practice your latte art within a short period of time. You'll be able to make a good cup of coffee with a better latte art design to impress your friends or customers. This is an easy way that you can practice your latte art. So let's dive in. This is the most basic beginner-friendly latte art design, which is a heart. This is a second beginner-friendly latte art, which is a tulip latte art. It's a 1, 2, 3. This is a stacked tulip. It's a tulip but in a different variation. This is also a beginner-friendly latte art design that you can practice. This is a little advanced. It's an inverted tulip latte art because you need to rotate your cup while you're making this latte art. So if you're a beginner, this might be a bit more challenging. So you need to first learn the basic ones before you try this one. This is another advanced latte art design, which is a rose with a tulip base. This is also something that you can try as an advanced latte art. As a bonus tip, you can also add chocolate on top of your milk so that your latte art appears very well while you're practicing. So after knowing how to practice the different latte art design, here is a basic video guiding you through the basic latte art designs that you need to start with as a beginner barista. Watch this next to guide you through the full process on how you can make this different latte art design as a beginner.